All right. So let's talk about how much money and how much time do you really need to become a profitable funded trader. So in this video, I'm going to be as honest and straight up realistic as possible because, as I mentioned in some of the previous videos, social media is filled with a whole bunch of just nonsense and fake stuff and just lies in general that are made to make you feel better about yourself, to give you the wrong expectations, and to make you think, oh, this trading thing, I can do it. And not only can I make money from it, it's not even gonna take me that long. And that is just absolutely nonsense. So to explain this, I'm gonna give you an example. Let's just say you want to become a doctor. That is your dream. That is what you wanted to become ever since you were young. Everybody knows that you have to go to school, you have to finish high school, and at that point you get into university. Now, depending on which country you're from, I'm going to take my country, for example, which is Italy. In most countries, you're going to need to study for multiple years. You're going to need to do the first 3 years of university, which is just the regular bachelor. Then you have to do your master's, which is usually about 2 to 3 years. So we are already at 5. And then at that point, you need to get your PhD, your magistrale, which is 3 more years. So that leaves you with 8 years of study to learn a skill, which of course is gonna make you a doctor, a job that maybe some of you guys are looking at it just for the money, which is perfectly fine, is a high paying job in most of the countries. Now, let's take that expectations and apply that to something like trading. Trading is a job that will allow you to literally print money from your smartphone, from your laptop, wherever you are, and all you have to do is just analyze the market, place a trade, and make money from it. Now, the money that you can make from it is potentially unlimited. There's no limit to how much money you can make. Now, you're not going to make that much money in the beginning, but we all know that if you become profitable and your account grows and you're able to still make consistent profits, you can do just like I did and turn into a multi-millionaire day trader, which is a high-paying job. Now, let's just compare the two. One is a doctor, one is a professional funded trader. What makes you think that to get to that level, to become a professional funded trader, you don't need to spend years working on your craft, working on your skill, just like a doctor would? Now, I'm not saying it's gonna take you 8 years. I'm not gonna tell you it's gonna take you 6 years. To me personally, it took me around 1 year to start to make real consistent profits, and it took me 2 more years to actually make some really, really good profits, and 4 years to become a millionaire off of trading. But that is my path, which is also something you need to understand. We all have different paths in life. When I started, I did not have someone like me telling me, hey, this is what you really need to do. This is what you need to study. These are the realistic expectations. This is the process to follow, which is something you guys have. For me, I had to figure it out on my own with me and Ilyas. We had to go through all those bullshit signal rooms, the bullshit courses. We had to strategy hop, try this, price action, supply, resistance, support, patterns. That didn't work. Lost some money there, made some more money off of my 9 to 5, eventually spent it into more bullshit courses, learned something valuable, had to backtest, eventually found a strategy that made me a little bit of profits, applied that on some funding challenges, lost those challenges, and eventually I was able to pass one, then I lost it. You know, the whole process was completely different for me. And that is also something you need to understand, that not everybody is going to have the same exact path, which is why for everybody that comes to me and asks me how much time and how much money do I need, I can easily reply to the second question, how much money do you need? But the time is going to depend on how bad do you really want it. What do I mean by this? Let's just say that you have two people. Let's just say they are skinny, they are underweight, and they both have the goal of getting jacked. They want to become more muscular, they want to have a better frame overall. They don't like the way they look, they want to look a little bit better, which is perfectly fine. You have person A, we're going to call him John. He's really determined on wanting to get jacked, but he doesn't want to work out as much. He works out twice a week, and eats whatever he can really find, not too much protein, just tries to not eat too much bullshit, and that is his diet plan, and he works out his whole body twice a week. Then you have Josh, which is person 2, who also really want to get jacked, but Josh works out 5 times a week and eats a clean diet, maybe has one cheat meal on the weekend, but he eats a clean diet, rice, chicken, beef, potatoes, just really natural stuff, and is really into the gym, is really into getting jacked. Now, if you look at the path of John and Josh, they're both eventually gonna reach their final destination of getting jacked, because John, even by working out twice a week and not eating too much bullshit, you're still gonna end up getting jacked in 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 years if he keeps it up and he stays consistent. While Josh, on the second hand, is gonna get there probably within 6 months, maybe a year. So when I say that to become profitable, the time that you need, it all depends on how bad you really want it, is how much effort are you willing to put in to reach this destination, to become profitable. And the reason why I know this and I say this, it's because I've seen this. As I told you guys in the beginning, we coach thousands of people over the years, and we have seen the students. We know exactly who's probably going to become profitable and who isn't, right? I can tell with 90% accuracy just by the start who's really going to become profitable, because you can just see the hunger after they've done the masterclass, after they learn the strategy. You have one person who for the next 3 months is consistently messaging the team. Hey bro, what do you think about this analysis? What do you think about these results I got in backtesting? What do you think about this trade that I took? What do you think about this? What do you think about that? Constantly getting feedback, constantly trying to improve. And then you have the other person who just went through the course, went through the lessons, and sometimes they join the weekly call, sometimes they ask you some questions, but you can just tell they're not putting as much effort as the other one. And then you see 6 months later, first person, hey bro, look, I just got funded. I just got a FTMO challenge, I just passed it, or I just made a payout, or I just, I'm starting to see some actual results. While the other person, after 6 months, a lot of them have already quit, either quit or they are just, doing the bare minimum. So how much money do you need? All depends on how bad do you really want this? How bad do you really want to become a profitable trader? And that is not a question you should answer me. That is a question you should answer yourself. You should look in the mirror and say, okay, I'm willing to do this. I really want to become a profitable trader. I want to be able to live this life of just literally printing money from my phone. I don't want to work in regular 9 to 5 who pays me the bare minimum. I want to actually make some real money with trading. Now, how bad do I really want it? I want it real bad. Okay, am I willing to do the things that will take me there? Am I willing to follow the strategy, apply it exactly as Mohamed says, follow the exact instructions, do hours of backtesting, at least 1 to 2 hours of backtesting every single day, looking at the charts as much as possible? Maybe some of you guys are working a 9 to 5, which is fine, but I was working a 9 to 5 as well. We all have lunch breaks. We all have breaks in the afternoon and in the morning. Are you spending that break in the morning just scrolling on Instagram and eating some bullshit? Or are you looking at the charts? Are you looking at what's happening on Euro USD during the London session? Are you there thinking, oh, I had this trade idea, let's see if it worked out, even though you didn't open the trade? It's all about choices. I say this all the time, that success is a choice, because I truly believe that if you put in the work, there's no way you're gonna not succeed. And it's literally the same for the gym. I will always go back to the same example with trading. I have never seen someone who works out 5 times a week, eats a clean diet, stays consistent, trains hard, who doesn't get jacked, who doesn't get a beautiful body. It's literally, you put in this much effort, you will get this much back. You do not put in that much effort, you cannot expect that thing back. It's literally, it doesn't make any sense. So the same will apply to trading. And the reason why I'm telling you guys is because with social media, so many of you probably had the wrong impression of just do this thing. It's probably easy, it's quick, it's just a quick way to make some side hustle, just make money. This is a real job. This is an actual skill, just like you want to become a doctor, just like you want to become a lawyer, just you want to become whatever job you want to become. Trading is an actual skill, of course, with our strategy, with the RTS. With other ones, I'm not exactly sure. I can only talk based on my personal experiences. And my personal experience is that this strategy, which is the same strategy that I've traded for years and years, which hasn't changed, it's the same, it's still printing me money to this day. So, and we'll talk more about this when we get to the supply and demand lesson. It's not going to change. It's not going anywhere. So, please understand that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme or a get-rich-quick way. This is a long-term skill which will make you consistent profits every single month, just like a job. Now, the difference is that a job can only pay you so much. With trading, the sky is literally the limit. There's no actual limit. You have a bigger account, you pass 3, 4, 5, 6 challenges, you can easily make 6 figures a month. It can easily happen to you. Is it gonna be quick? Absolutely not. Is it going to be easy? Absolutely not. But there's no such thing that has value that will come to you quick or that will come to you easy. Please understand this, because so many people in this field will lure you in by telling you, hey, this is quick and this is easy, just so you're like, oh, finally, a quick solution. Man, you might as well just go to the casino and gamble. That might be a quick way to make some money if you get lucky. That might be the only quick way to make some money. Or you can go and sell some drugs. That's pretty easy. Just get a buyer who sells it for you at a fucking low price. You get a seller that sells it to you at a low price. You get a buyer that buys it at a high price. You just pay one guy, sell it to the other one. Now you made some quick money. If you get caught, you might go to prison, but hey, that was quick money, you know? So please understand that nothing valuable in life will ever come easy or will ever come quick. So the expectation, I believe, that if you put in the work and you follow everything that I will explain to you, and you actually put in the work and you follow the back testing, the live analysis, the demo trading, the funded accounts, and you follow the actual process which I will show you, I believe that you can become a profitable trader from 6 to 12 months. In 6 to 12 months. And this is once again based off of personal experiences, just with students that I've had in the past. From 6 to 12 months, if you really put in the work, you can absolutely do this. It's absolutely doable. Just remember that consistency is what will take you there, not perfection, not doing as much as possible this week and then next week you slack off a little bit, and then the week after you don't really trade, and then you come back and you trade 3-4 hours a day. You're just on the charts. Absolutely not. Consistency. You start off with 30 to 1 hour a day. Eventually you move it to maybe 1 to 2 hours. And then eventually it just becomes part of your day. Man, I have been looking at charts every day for the past 6 years. And I don't even feel it. To be honest, I love it. I'm not saying that you need to love it, because you know, who cares if you love it or not? What matters is that you make money from it. But if you also fall in love with the process, man, this is literally part of my day. I just know that when I wake up, I get to look at the charts. I get to look at, I don't have to. I don't got to look at, I get to look at the charts and print money from it. Man, what better way to make money is there? I'm just getting excited even talking about it. And most people literally fail and they quit because, matter of fact, they fail because they quit. They are lazy. They are not looking to put in the work. They thought this shit was going to be easy, and that was not the case, and that's why they ended up quitting. So that's how much time you really need. Possibly 1 to 2 years if you're putting a little bit less work, but still, compare it to a different job, a doctor. That is 8 years where you're not making any money. With this, you're going to be making money a little bit in the first, you're going to be losing a little bit, but not that much. Then you have prop firm accounts, which will save you so much money that could be lost. So always remember what your actual goal is, and remember to compare it to other jobs and how much those are hard to get to, you know? So that is the answer for how much time. Now, how much money? You don't need a lot of capital to start. You just need to actually put in the work and learn the skill. Eventually, you can move to a demo account with $100, $200, $500, which is very low budget. And then you can move on to a prop firm accounts. You can get prop firm accounts for $100, $200. Once again, money is no longer the problem. It used to be when you didn't have prop firms, because how else are you going to make money? But nowadays, as long as you have the skill, you can get hired by a prop firm, get the capital from them, $100, $200, $300, $400,000, make 10% in a month. Now you've made $40,000. Now $34,000 is yours just because you have proved to them that you have the skill. And by the way, as soon as you pass a challenge and you make a payout, you get the price that you paid for the challenge back. So it's basically free. All you need is a skill. That's why you gotta get to fucking work, backtest, follow the strategy, and get fucking funded. All right? So that is the answer to the money. Now there's a little bit of some wrong expectations that I wrote down that I want to talk about a little bit here. So the first one is that people overestimate how much they can make in a month. That is absolutely stupid. Why are you worrying how much you're making in a month? What if you just get lucky? What if you get unlucky? That's not the point. The point is to get consistently profitable, to make consistent profits every single month. It's not to make just a lot of money in 1 month. Trading is a marathon. It's not a sprint. A sprint is a sprint where you get as fast as possible, as quick as possible in a 100-meter race. That is a sprint. A marathon is who can actually stay on the marathon and not pass out and not run out of gas all the way through the 100-kilometer marathon. That is what trading is. Are you going to be able to make consistent profits month after month? Or are you just looking to get lucky 1 month and make some quick money? Which one seems more reasonable? Obviously the marathon one. You might make zero in your first 6 months, and that is absolutely fine. That is, once again, a very important part because you're learning the skill. As long as you're putting in the work, you don't need to worry about the money. The money will come later. Once you have the skill, once you're able to make those consistent profits, prop firms will fix the money problem. Just focus on the skill first. And understand that trading is a real job. So treat it as such. Don't treat it as just like a side hustle that you can just do in your free time. This shit is real. This shit can be your life. This shit can be your job if you really want it. Let's move on to lecture number 8.